back when I graduated, it was really more challenging to find a job than it is today, and so I took a job with another firm up north. And then about a year later, I had an opportunity to come to Yo & Yo, and it was one of the best decisions I've ever made. I was very lucky to come to Yo & Yo because it is a very community-driven organization. It encouraged us to get involved in the community, get to know our community members, and build that network of people. And so to me, that's been a huge plus. So it's guided me through my work with the United Way, work on the Freeland School Board. I've been driven by the need to give back and the willingness to give back. But there's something there for them, and I want them to have that opportunity to do the things that I did. This firm has grown, many years ago from a single office, but again, ultimately to 9 offices all over the state of Michigan. Our practice has grown and developed. We expanded into the Detroit market many years ago too, and I was a big part of that growth down in that area. I eventually became our service line leader in the assurance area when we went to service lines, and did that for a number of years until I took over this role. One of my favorite days of the year was when I would go back and do on-campus recruiting, and I did that up until 2019. So I would love to go out there and meet with career services and then schedule 13 and 14 students throughout the day and kind of run through those students. And one of the things I always like to do after every interview, whether I'm going to move them forward or not, I always try to give them a little bit of advice. Put on a coat, do something a little different, maybe ask this question or address something in your resume. Address it on the front end. So just to try to give a little bit of advice for that and to help those kids grow. We hire a lot of people from SVSU, and a lot of students come to us. But what I really want for them is their opportunity to do what they want to do. Find their passion and run with it. And that's what you can do here. That's what I got to do when I came up. I want to be able to trust them to have the same opportunities that I had. At SVSU, it's not just one teacher, one administrator, one person that helps you get along the way. You get so many different resources from there, from Jim Dwyer in admissions back in the day to Alumni, to Marilyn Knight, who was an incredible professor. And so those are the kind of people that you really want to surround yourself with, help get them to know you, and so they can help you move forward. When you talk about people, it's not just talking about the individual, but we're taking care of 225 families here at Yo & Yo, and that to me is one of the things that's passionate about. What I changed, my role changed, is you had to take a different mindset on that, because it's not just an employee, it's really their families, and that's who we are.